Oh, we got a little test run going on here. This is our free air compressor. Same for the electric motor. We got the 40 volt here at the top. Little three phase. But she cooks. Runs right along. Up over 100 pounds here. A little bit more left to do. Got fresh disconnects put up on the wall. Do a motor starter like I got for this one. This one's starting to get really weak. Keeps tripping the overload. So, about time to get the second one going online. Yeah. Yeah, remember I got this tank is stored, that tank, and then at the other end of this line, I've got another tank as well. So we've got quite a bit of storage, which the compressor actually likes it when it just runs longer. So, what they call a Kellogge American. The big brother. This one. We gotta go for a shutdown. Just using the breaker for now. Just to see if it worked. Want to make sure it spun and did what it was supposed to. Ooh, she sounds good. Nothing a little runtime won't fix. So, now we know it runs. I'll put this three-phase motor out in storage. Save it for the day we need it. But we can make air. The cylinder have warmed up a little bit. 2-3 minutes worth of runtime there. And I guess that's the first time that thing's run since the late 80s when the old woolen mill shut down. So, old stuff, new life. Big time. Air compressor tank.